Hey YouTube, it's Lady Ravenstorm. It's been a while, and I feel bad. Um, I missed doing the letter B on the YouTube Pagan Challenge, and I'm not going to tell you what it originally was, but so today I wanted to share with you an unboxing. So we're gonna do it our way and say B is for boxes, because there are a lot of subscription boxes out there for New Age, the occult, paganism, even they've got them for shamanism, witches, and everything in between. So, I'm actually going to do an unboxing. This box has been sitting here for a couple of weeks, so I've had kind of a busy life lately. I'm in school. I started on January 8th to become an herbalist, a master herbalist, and that's taken up a lot of my time. And I am like having a blast. I love it. I'm learning so much more than I ever knew about herbs and how to use them. So, anyway, this subscription box is from Tamed Wild Apothecary, and it's the House of Rituals. And this is their intro box. I believe I have reviewed their intro box before, but this intro, by the way, I just took off, I had cut it open, took it off. The box is bulging. Look, it's stuffed full. Anyway, this intro box, is stuffed. And it may be a little different than the first one I reviewed, because I switched my subscription and forgot to check the box that said I was already a member. So I got another intro box, but that's okay. My fault. They were actually going to have me send it back, and they were going to send me the actual January box, but I just said, we'll keep it. Why go to all that trouble? So, anyway, here's what it looks like. First open it, and I've got a 2018 moon calendar. Maybe I'll put this one in my purse. The other one's on my refrigerator. And apparently there's some things in here for a purification ritual. Yeah. Yep. Bath and all. Alright. And then we've got our Welcome to the House of Rituals box by Tamed Wild Apothecary. And then it's got the whole list of items that are in the box. So I'm not going to really look at that. It's also got a full moon ritual. Maybe I should have used this a couple of days ago, huh? Anyway, so it's really, these are more guidelines. I mean, they do give you ideas of what to say, but you can, put your own work in there. That always makes it that much more. Okay, bubble wrap gone. All right. Okay. Some things are similar. They do have new packaging, I see. Well, we've got this elemental kit, which really looks cool. Sorry, I got a new camera, and I keep looking the other direction because I'm not used to where it's at. Anyway, so they have all the representations of north, south, east, and west. However, they have them written different than what I use them. Okay, if someone recalls what this type of feather is, please let me know, because I know what it is and it's not coming to mind. Anyway, of course, they've got a feather for air. They've got the candle for fire. They've got wood for earth, which is nice. And yes, I smelled it. Not sure. Okay, and then we've got the, starts with an A. Yeah, I'm not remembering things today, but of course it's the shell, and it is for water. So we've got representations of all 4 elements, which this will be great in my traveling altar because some of my things have gotten, well, maybe I can switch them out in between cleanings or something, I don't know. Alright, so there's that. And then I see a little box that's cute. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Moonstone. I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Please. That's what it looks like to me. Because I have a similar moonstone in this color. And it's not just the pendant. There is a small silver necklace in here. I love that. I'll be wearing that one. Definitely. Alright. Then we've got some sage. You know where I'm at right now, I can't burn this. Not allowed to burn any sage at all. So it'll just go into my collection until I get a different place. And then we've got, this must go with the purification ritual. And it's, I like, they wrap everything up, the packaging is always really good. This one is Purification Anointing Oil. Like I said, they have new packaging now. I really like it. I want to smell it. Yeah, I smelled the citrus. Okay, there's almond oil, orange oil, lemongrass oil, lemon oil, lime oil, and orange peel. So I got a good whiff of the lime, I think it was. Yeah. It smells really, really good. And then we got, for the full moon ritual, we got ritual incense. Yeah. Okay, I love loose incense. It's my favorite. I wish I did not have to burn it on a charcoal disc. I know people have told me there's some other stuff, but I can't remember the name of it. If you know of anything, let me know. A lot of times I will put this on my like oil burner with some oil, and that's the way I'll use it, so I don't have to smell the charcoal. But a lot of times I give in and use the charcoal. So. Oh wow, there's lots of rose. Is that frankincense? Anyway, I don't know if you can see it. It's beautiful. Oh well. That's what vacuums are for. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Excuse me. Okay, it's got hyssop, copal. It's copal, not frankincense. Orange peel, rose petals, and geranium essential oil. That's what I was smelling with the rose. I couldn't figure it out. I could smell the rose really well, but yeah. Okay. All right. I'm not done. Okay. And then we've got, this is for the purification spell. It's the ritual bath herbs. Oh. Wow. Oh. I mean, there's lavender in there. Quite a bit. Is there mint? Or something that's, we've got lavender, rosemary, thyme, fennel, hyssop, peppermint, yeah, rose, and valerian root. Valerian root was the other thing I was smelling in that fennel. So it's like at first you're like, because the mint, but it does smell nice. It's very herbally. I will definitely use that in a bath. I think it would be refreshing. Okay. And then we have, is this like a candle holder? What do I do with that? Well, yeah, obviously, Carla. That's what it is. It's not listed. So, but yes, it is a candle holder. And it looks like it can hold votives and a regular candle. Which I like it when it's a multi-task item. And, of course, we got a black and a white candle. So, well, these are a little smaller, I guess. But we all know what to do to make them stand. So, melt that wax a bit, stick it in there. Why did I smell that? Anyway, candle holder. No, it doesn't smell. I don't know why I did that. Oh, wow. Cool. Who doesn't need more altar cloths? Okay. This one has the directions. Nice. I like it very, very much. Know where to put it. I have several altars now. You know, I used to really only have one main altar, and then I kind of did my work wherever I could, and I brought my stuff to me, you know, onto the kitchen table or wherever. So anyway, but now I have separate little altars and for different. Oh, I can't have too many of these. Leather bound. You can see where it's been the binding. Pretty. Look. And it's tiger's eye in there. And the inside. Excuse me. Oh. Paper. Lots of paper. It's pretty thick. Oh. Okay, my daughter will probably steal this from me, but because I have a few of them and she's been trying to get them from me. All right. I kind of want this one though. Anyway, that is the last thing. Well, other than the little bit of filler they had in there. So anyway, again, that is the House of Ritual box from Tamed Wild Apothecary. They have 4 or 5 different boxes. They have the House of Rituals box. They also have a mini House of Rituals box. They have a Tamed Wild Medicine box, which is the Apothecary. They also have a mini in that. They also have a crystal box, and then they have a crystal and a medicinal box, or is it a crystal and a House of Rituals together? Anyway, one of them is mixed with it. So the box that I will be getting from now on is the $35 box. It's the House of Ritual box, the regular. I can't even call it deluxe because it's not. I used to get the mini. To their website, I will have it linked below. I normally do. And as always, blessed be.